Our focus this morning is also on the national education policy that the Modi government announced yesterday. And the latest reaction that's coming in, Congress has fired a veiled attack on Prime Minister Modi over the education policy. Here's a tweet that Jairam Ramesh has put out. Here's what he's written. One thing is not clear to me in the new education policy. Is entire political science still part of the university syllabus or not? So this particular tweet by Jairam Ramesh, clearly a jibe at the Modi government over the education policy. Let's take this across to Anand Patel for more details. Anand, while this jibe is coming from Jairam Ramesh, what really is the point that the Congress has an issue with regards to the education policy?
Well, you see, Asha, this policy was in the making for almost a year now. And time and again, the Congress and the opposition parties were raising issues and were raising hue and cry that the government was more interested in talking to the RSS leaders who were dictating the national education policy than taking on board a cross-section of political parties. Now, what has come now is a surprise for the opposition because it's coming at a time when the parliament is not in session and no formal discussion has taken place on the national education policy. Jairam Ramesh is trying to put across this point that this is a complete saffronization of the national education policy in the absence of other divergent views taken on board. Now, it will be interesting to see as to what the states will do because the education policy is on the concurrent list. And if the states are not taken on board, their views are not taken on board, it will be interesting to see as to how do they react to this national education policy.
Okay, so be sure of a political war over this particular issue. Anand, thank you for those details. So you have the Congress already questioning the education policy, but let's explain for you exactly what this education reform is all about. Important to highlight here that this is the first major reform in over 3 decades. And the change is not just in the name of the HRD ministry, it's now called the Education Ministry, but the entire education system has essentially been reshaped and revamped. One of the biggest highlights, and that's been slightly controversial, is that students up to 5th standard will be taught in their mother tongue or regional language. There's also a sabbatical option that's been given now to undergraduate students. We break down all the details in this report.
India has got a new education policy after 34 years, and it promises sweeping reforms in the entire system of learning. To begin with, the Human Resource Development Ministry has been renamed as the Ministry of Education. Both UGC and Technical Education Council have been merged. The new policy has overhauled the school and higher education system. Among the big changes in school education, the medium of instruction till grade 5 will be in mother tongue or regional language.
जो शिक्षा का माध्यम है उसमें ये लिखा है कि जहाँ तक पॉसिबिलिटी हो वहाँ तक 5वीं कक्षा तक मातृभाषा या नहीं तो क्षेत्रीय भाषा हो या घर की जो भाषा बोली जाती है उसमें पढ़ाया जाए.
The new policy has a big focus on vocational studies. In fact, vocational education will start from class 6 with internships. In a bid to ramp up digital learning, a National Educational Technology Forum will be established. E-courses will be developed in 8 regional languages initially, and virtual labs will also be developed. In higher education, now there would be a single regulator for all institutions, except for the law and medical stream, and MPhil will be discontinued. The undergraduate degree will be of either 3 or 4 years duration with multiple exit and options, giving students the liberty to take a break and continue from where they left.
मल्टीपल एंट्री एंड एग्जिट सिस्टम में ये रहेगा कि 1 साल के बाद सर्टिफिकेट, 2 साल के बाद डिप्लोमा, 3 या 4 साल के बाद डिग्री. जैसे बैंक के सेविंग अकाउंट होते हैं वैसे ही एकेडमिक क्रेडिट में डिजी लॉकर के माध्यम से हमारे वहां पर क्रेडिट रहेंगे.
The 4-year program may also lead to a degree with research if student completes a rigorous research project. The new education policy comes after deliberations over 6 years. With the coronavirus outbreak disrupting learning, changes have also been made to reduce the content load in curriculum. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.